Ja, kyk, ASD speel 'n baie belangrike rol want jy gee waarde aan my saad. Jy gee erken of nie erkenning, jy etiketeer daai saad van. So nou as ek daai ASD sticker op het en dit nou het hy 'n naam gekry. Nou kan ek hom verkoop want nou weet ek op daai oomblik toe jy die monster gekyk het en die monster deurgegaan het, is daai monster voldoen aan die volgende vereistes en dit is belangrik. So nou kan ek daai saad vir 'n mede-produsent aanbied en ek kan met die kwaliteit vir hom sê wat se kwaliteit is daar.
Ja, buiten die oog lopend wat 'n sakkie ewe skielik 4 keer werd maak wat hy andersins sou gewees het. En buite die insig van 'n sertifiseringsbeampte wat mense kan addisioneel oplei. Ja, ek meen dis hulle funksie vir my. Nee, ek meen dis net ouens wat saam met hom in die soos Michael. Ek meen ouens wat saam met hom stap. Ek meen elke keer as hy daar stap en iets kan uitwys, elke keer as hy so 'n knolgedragte siekte het of 'n insekskade het en hy kan daai ou net ietsie wys. Dis wat my produk volgende jaar veronderstel is om beter te kan maak. As daai ou beter toegerus is met kennis om nader aan die skemas en vereistes te kan operate.
You don't have what we have in South Africa in terms of the potato certification scheme. Even in our near sister countries in SADC, that capacity isn't there. And they procure seed from us. So our vision at the moment is to actually invest in the human resource capacity of the farm, not only focus on producing potatoes for commercial purposes or seed production, but become an institute that train potato producers.
You know, everyone looks at price when they're looking at inputs, but I'm a big believer in service. I look for service as long as the guy's price is, you know, within range. Service to me is the thing I look for, whether it's in a crop chemical guy or a fertilizer guy or even a machinery guy. To me, the way that they look after you is the important aspect of it. It means a lot. We actually couldn't do what we do without them. I think what PCS does is it sets a high standard which gives our buyers, our customers, confidence in the product they're buying. There's still obviously a lot of integrity needed by the producer of seed, but it does set a standard and there's a lot of confidence in that ticket that is put on each bag.